Hey guys, Alex here from Workshop 12. Today I have some really exciting news. Allow me to introduce the brand new 12 Smart Box by, of course, yours truly, Workshop 12. Let's not waste any more time and jump right in. So what the heck is a 12 Smart Box? Why do you need it? And why is it the best gadget for your ride? The 12 Smart Box is literally an Android computer. And yes, guys, it does have wireless CarPlay. So for iPhone guys, don't attack me. It does have both. It's actually based off a CarPlay interface to make it a lot easier for the majority of you. That being said though, the beautiful part about this kit is it simply plugs in right into your existing unit, and it is compatible with every car that comes equipped with wired CarPlay or Android Auto, but it has to be wired. And why is that? Because it simply connects into the USB port where you would normally connect your CarPlay or your wired or your Android Auto, and voila, that's it. And the beautiful part is it comes equipped with hefty specs like 8 gigs of RAM, 4-core processor, 128 gigs of storage. It also comes with an expandable micro SD card slot, so for additional storage, as well as a SIM card for onboard LTE. Now, this product will give you the ability to use any app available on the Google Play Store. You can even connect an OBD2 scanner in your OBD2 port. You can download on the Google Play Store the Torque app or any other OBD2 app, and you'll be able to get live data diagnostics from your vehicle, including the ability of clearing engine lights, checking anything out in terms of gauges, air to fuel ratios, the whole 9 yards. Now, you can also get the Netflix, Prime, YouTube, and you can, yes, I know what you're asking. You can watch it while driving, but we don't recommend that because that is illegal and it's only used for off-road use only. But if you are the passenger, you get to enjoy some videos while the driver is on a long, boring drive. Let's not waste any more time. Let's take a look at what's in the box, what you will expect, and then we'll jump into the installation. We're going to be installing it in a 2019 Golf. It's the Highline edition, which has a little bit of a bigger screen. So you'll be able to enjoy and see how it all comes to life. So what's in the box? Well, you have the beautiful unit, which, by the way, the pictures on our website is going to make it look a lot bigger, but it's really not. If you grab a highlighter, it is like half the size of a highlighter. Actually, our handy dandy ruler over here will tell us exactly. It is about literally 3 inches by 3 inches and about 0.6 of an inch in height. So it is very thin. It is very beautiful. On this side, you have your micro SD slot here for expandable storage. You have a USB-C. You also have a SIM card tray. And in the box, you have, of course, a user manual here. You have a USB-C to USB-C cable and a USB-C to USB-A cable. Depending on your vehicle, some vehicles only come with USB-C ports now. So if your vehicle only has a USB-C port, that is why we got this cable. And for those that have more of a normal car now, just like mine, you get to use the regular USB-A. That's it. That's it with it. Let's go in and watch the install now, where I'll take you along the journey of doing the installation and a brief software walkthrough. All right, guys, as you can see, we are currently in a 2019 Volkswagen Golf, okay? This is unfortunately not the R. However, it is the Highline that comes equipped with this beautiful display. Now, this display is beautiful aesthetically, but function-wise, it kind of sucks. All it does is it has wired CarPlay, or wired Android Auto. So let's make it a lot better using the 12 Smart Box, okay? So this is the installation of how we're gonna install this beautiful device. Don't get overwhelmed with the installation. It could get a little complicated, all right? So you're gonna remove, open up the box here. You got your beautiful 12 smart box. We're gonna set everything to the side. The very first step that you want to do is identify what USB port A is, which one is the USB port in your vehicle that is for wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto, and two, is it a USB A or USB C port? So first, let's take a look and find out. Okay, I see that there is that one USB port here, and that USB port is a USB A, so I do know I have the right cable. So we're going to remove this little cable tie here, plug the USB-C right into the 12 smart box, and then we're going to actually power on this car here so you can see how it all kind of works out. So right now you can see that this is the original UI of the Volkswagen Golf. All right, so we got like your media here, your regular UI, and then what we're going to be basically doing is just simply, nice and easy, we're going to go on app here. You're going to grab this USB port and you're just going to connect it right in here, and unfortunately this USB port seems to be tucked in a position that is very far away, and that's it. We're done with the installation. I know it was very complicated, but that is it. All you got to do is plug this thing in and let it do its magic. So right now we got some colorful little lights over here, indicating that it is powered on and it is searching for the signal. And then you can see that now it is working perfectly. So we're gonna wait until this boots up. As your actual vehicle will be detecting that an iPhone is connected to this device when it is actually an Android box. But as you can see here, the icons and the interface of the actual UI of the 12 smart box is pretty identical to what you would expect on a CarPlay device. So beautiful part is you got all your main apps right here. You have your YouTube music, you got your Chrome, you got your Bluetooth music. So we're going to want to connect to the Autobox T-Box Plus. And then the best part is because this vehicle had only wired CarPlay and wired Android Auto, you're going to see that at tap of a button here, it will actually connect wirelessly to your Android Auto or your CarPlay. You are now connected to your wireless CarPlay, so you can see how flawless and easy it is to connect this device. On top of your CarPlay or your Android Auto being wireless, there's a bunch of other things you can do with this beautiful box. Now, unfortunately, we are in an underground garage because we are located in Canada and it is a little cold out here today, so we cannot be really outside. But I don't have any internet access right now, but take my word for it, I'm going to show you here. You have this little tiny a lot of iPhone users are going to recognize this. I remember back in the days with your original iPhone with the actual button, when it used to break, you would actually download an app that made it look like this to still access your settings. So you'll be familiar with this, okay? But basically, you'll be able to access that, put that anywhere. And this is your quick menu setup where you'll be able to go back home. You'll be able to go back to all the apps that you have recently opened, so you can clear them, and then you'll be able to access like your most frequent apps. On that little white dot that appears is your quick menu. On the actual main menu of the 12 box, you do have a CarPlay interface to make it nice and easy. And of course, guys, if you want to download, like the beautiful part is it's on an iOS, so you can download practically whatever you imagine on it, including APKs. So you'll be able to go right on the Google Chrome browser, download whatever app you want, and be able to use it. And it's just overall going to enhance your current setup for those people that like the way their setup looks, but just unfortunately, that's all it got going for it. This is your solution for you. Contact me, guys. We are more than happy to help you. If you need assistance with troubleshooting, installation, software walkthroughs, I have no problem sitting on a video call with you guys and walking you through step by step on every single thing about this device so it can enhance your experience with us. I think that's it. I really don't want to make this video extremely long for you guys because it was a short video. But if you have any questions, drop your comments below, or even better, get a hold of me by sending us an email to info@workshop12.com. I will put that on here like it's magic. And that is it. Alex is out. Peace.